Welcome to Lagu paTa from Solve the Virtual Lab at NITK Surathkal. Whitworth mechanism. Aim of this experiment is to find the velocity of ram e at any given position and determine the Coriolis component of acceleration. In this simulation, we have animation section, variable section, control section, and navigation panel. Additionally, we have trace path traverse checkbox. Check the box and observe the animation. Move the input sliders of fixed link AB, slider link BC, and angular speed omega 2 and observe the changes in the motion of the mechanism. Click on pause button and change the angle A and observe the changes in the animation. Resume the animation by clicking on the play button. Click on rotate button to change the direction of rotation of the crank and observe the changes. Next, navigate to velocity analysis page by clicking on right arrow button. Here, we can observe the velocity of different links. Note down the velocity of ram VEA. Next, navigate to the acceleration analysis page by clicking here on the right arrow button. Here, we can observe the acceleration of different links. Note down the Coriolis component of acceleration AXP. Application of this mechanism is used in shaping machines. Thank you for watching the video.